Alright, what's up YouTube? Finally back in the shed, got the camera back, so now I can actually video, which is cool. So bit of a quick rundown, going to be doing a retaining wall, but I'll show you that in the backyard. Just going to do a little bit of a section here of retaining wall. This one's pretty old, baby proof this whole area, so I'm going to finish this section nicely, and then basically at another time when I have some more time I'll rip out all this and redo the whole lot. But then at least if I do this section nice, clean, done, then it's safe for Logan, then I can prep this whole area, clean it all up. So that's the quick rundown. So now basically just going to be cleaning up the sleepers. Got 75mm hardwood sleepers, should look really nice. Finally put some of these sleepers in. So got the first one nice and leveled, pretty happy with how it is. And so yeah, basically now I just got to drill through the timber, then I'll take this off, and obviously when I drill through I'll make sure I mark where it goes into the metal, then drill through the metal. It should be a bit of fun, so let's get into it. Marks where I need to drill. I've basically just grabbed my square, and then I've lined up in the middle, ran that all the way around, which gets me my middle mark for both of these, which gets me this way. And then basically I come over the top, line this up square until it lines up halfway right in the center, pretty much basically. And then I tighten that up. Then I take that to the opposite side, which gets me this direction, and then obviously reset it again for this one because they could be a bit different, and then so basically all done now, just got to get a couple of caps. That's why I left these a little bit high, so I can put the caps on. Really happy with how it's looking. I think it'll work pretty well. Definitely could be a little bit better. This bowing's a little bit annoying, but not too much I can do about it. But overall, really happy. Look really nice when it's all the way down. But for now, it'll lock this section off, and it means I can prep all this and keep moving on to the next projects. So, if you want to hit like, that'd be sick. If you want to hit subscribe, that'd be awesome. Peace.